As homeowners, we have to protect our biggest investment from everything Mother Nature throws at us. But the most unexpected threat comes from inside your home. Your appliances, your home plumbing systems, and your water lines. A water leak or flood can be costly and extremely inconvenient. Priceless belongings get ruined, and cleanup can force you from your home and cost tens of thousands of dollars. Thankfully, there's LeakSmart, a breakthrough in intelligent home water protection that keeps you, your home, and everyone in it safe from devastating water damage. Just snap LeakSmart onto your water main. It's easy, no tools are required. Place LeakSmart water sensors throughout your home, wherever leaks may occur. With your home protected by LeakSmart, if a water sensor detects water, a signal is sent to the LeakSmart hub, automatically shutting off the water main in 5 seconds or less. You'll also get an alert on your phone, notifying you that a leak has occurred and confirming that LeakSmart has shut off your water. LeakSmart puts you in full control of your home plumbing system and prevents water damage before it even happens. Also, LeakSmart integrates with Nest, Google Home, and Amazon Echo. In addition to water, LeakSmart also monitors temperature changes in your home. At the first sign of freezing temperatures, you can shut off your water valve remotely from anywhere in the world to prevent water flow in case of a frozen pipe. LeakSmart works 24/7 to protect your home, even when the internet and power go out. And by installing LeakSmart, you can save money on homeowners insurance. For 100% home protection while you're away, LeakSmart will also contact your plumber, so you don't ever have to worry about it. LeakSmart delivers peace of mind and protects what you love most. LeakSmart, the most intelligent leak and flood protection system in the world.